Nearly all of the motorcycle and automobile manufacturers made their first steps in the industry of transportation by building bicycles. These genius two-wheel vehicles remain extremely popular till this day. So many companies either never parted with them or are returning into the segment to cash in on the new trend of electric bicycles. In this video, we will cover new e-bikes developed by or in cooperation with the world-renowned motorcycle and car makers. Your eyes are not tricking you. Since the America's most famous motorcycle manufacturer indeed ventures into uncharted waters with its new dedicated e-bike brand named after Harley's first 1903 motorcycle, First Serial One Cycle Company is launching two models, Mosh GTY and Rush GTY. The latter is additionally differentiated into three modifications: regular, step-through, and speed. All rock a classic clean look with all LED lighting and come powered by a similar drivetrain setup that consists of a mid-mounted 250-watt electric motor and a carbon fiber belt. The battery size differs from 529 to 706 kilowatt-hour, while the pedal assist range can reach as far as 150 miles on a charge. The Italian motorbike manufacturer goes back to its roots, when engines were mounted on bicycles to create first Ducati Cucciolos. In modern days, they cooperate with Thok e-bikes to produce mountain bikes powered by pedal-assist electric motors. Their latest announcements are the Ducati MiG-S and the TK01RR, the e-enduros equipped with high-end components for the most challenging use. The lower-end MiG-S is taking advantage of the proven Shimano Steps E8000 motor, but the TK goes for the new Shimano EP8 that offers higher torque of 63 pound-feet and 400% of pedal assist power. The rest of the components are sourced from Fox, Öhlins, SRAM, and Marzocchi. Developed in cooperation with all-terrain e-bike manufacturer QuiCat, this is the first Jeep-branded EV to hit the market. Positioned as mountaineering model, it is suitable for a range of tasks, from weekend trail riding to overlanding and hunting. The bike is equipped with a 750-watt brushless motor that can be upgraded to 1,000 watt. This motor is capable of peaking at 1.5 kilowatt and 118 pound-feet of torque, and it is juiced by a swappable 696 watt-hour battery. If you opt for a second pack, the companies promise up to 50 miles of riding. Last, the Jeep e-bike features a full suspension, high-tech 4-piston brakes, and 4.8-inch fat tires. If you feel like smashing the like button, do so, and you'll be making a major input in the electric vehicle's expansion. Let's proceed. We do not have to tell you that Yamaha is an absolute expert in manufacturing hardcore off-road motorcycles, so it would be natural to expect the same quality standards from their electric mountain bikes. These models are built around the patent-pending dual twin-frame design that provides precise handling and also protects the rear shock and the battery. Unlike many competitors, this Japanese company utilizes the in-house developed mid-mount PWX2 motor with 500-watt max power, new angle sensor, new helical drive gears for less noise, and revised programming to provide better cadence support. The Yamaha YDX Moro and Moro Pride ride on 27.5-inch wheels, have front forks and shocks by RockShox, and feature new convenient riding modes. Grape bicycles originated within the R&D department of the Croatian electric hypercar manufacturer Rimac. Still under management by the young and progressive founder, today it operates independently, and just like its four-wheel corporate sibling, sets a benchmark in smart e-bike manufacturing. The current lineup consists of 4 members of the G6 EMTB family. The prices range from $8,000 for the G6.1 Bold FS and $17,000 for the carbon fiber flagship G6X Limited. Without a doubt, these bikes get equipped with the highest spec components, but among the shared features, we should highlight a wide-angle HD camera, smartphone-compatible onboard computer, integrated SIM card tracking, and in-house developed 700 watt-hour battery. Skoda is one of those manufacturers started their path from developing and producing bicycles. In 2019, the brand designed to return to the forgotten craft with an all-new Clement model, paying tribute to the Czech company's original name, Lauren and Clement. The bike gets a 4-kilowatt rear hub motor that produces 28 miles per hour speeds. Despite being equipped with 2 lithium-ion batteries, the production-ready model is expected to weigh just 55 pounds, offering over 38 miles of riding on a charge. We should also mention that unlike traditional bicycles, the Clement has no pedals and is instead fitted with tilting paddles used for controlling acceleration and braking. Lamborghini's entry into the e-bike market dates back to 2018, when the luxury brand partnered with Ital Technology to design and develop 2 electric models. Their efforts resulted in the production of the off-road capable Crosser and more road-focused Sportster bikes. Both are built on hydroformed aluminum frame and are equipped with hydraulic disc brakes from Tektro, but the Crosser model also gets a front fork suspension. The bike's propulsion system is represented by a 500 watt-hour battery, an 8-speed sequential gearbox, and a brushless motor integrated into the transmission assembly. The bicycles feature several wheel tire combinations, standard LED lighting, a 2-stage anti-theft system, and a multi-function display. Originally established as a bicycle manufacturer, Peugeot has evolved into a successful automotive firm, while its bike brand has been largely stagnating. In 2010, the license to produce Peugeot bicycles was acquired by Eurocycles, who launched a comprehensive line of regular and electric models. Today, one of the most advanced EVs in its range is the EMO2 Power Tube bike. It is equipped with a Bosch Performance Line motor with a 500 watt-hour Power Tube battery with enough juice for 68 miles of riding. Available in 4 modifications, the EMO2 gets a full or a front fork suspension and standard 27.5 or 29-inch wheels with Shimano XT hydraulic brakes. Another strong argument in the bike's favor is a high-performance 11-gear shifter by Shimano that will allow you to conquer even the steepest slopes. When Audi engineers come to the table to create a flagship performance-oriented vehicle, then even a simple e-bike can turn into a true design marvel. The model has a carbon fiber body tipping the scales at 3.53 pounds, with its total weight reaches 24 pounds. The two-wheeler gets a 2.3 kilowatt electric motor that is positioned in the center of the frame, offering perfect weight balance. It can accelerate to 31 mile per hour top speeds, and thanks to its 530 watt-hour battery, can cover up to 44 miles per charge. Unfortunately, the Audi e-bike is likely to remain in history as a cutting-edge prototype, as no further development has taken place since its debut in FAR 2012. Which one of the presented electric vehicles is your personal top pick? Share with the world in the comments section. Smash the like button to make your input in the progress of EVs. Like, share, and continue watching more episodes by clicking on the icons in front of you. See you soon.